The internet is the biggest library ever built, but there's a catch. There are no librarians. Anyone can add a book to the shelf, even if it's full of lies. So how do you find the truth in a place where a story about unicorns discovered in a backyard can look like real news? This is where digital literacy comes in. It's your personal toolkit for navigating the online world safely. Before you believe anything, run it through a quick check. A great tool for this is the CRAP test. It's an acronym that forces you to question a source. Ask yourself, who was the author? Are they an expert? And what was their purpose in creating this page? Was it to teach you or to sell you something? Another quick clue is the website's address, the URL. A site ending in .gov or .edu is tied to a government body or a school, making it a much safer bet for facts and research than a random .com blog. But there's a more subtle trap, the filter bubble. The apps and websites you use are always watching. They learn what you like and then show you more of it, building a cozy bubble where it seems like everyone agrees with you. To see the whole picture, you have to actively step outside of it. You have to seek out sources that challenge what you think you know. And of course, watch out for clickbait, those headlines that scream, "You won't believe what happened next." They're designed to get your click, not to give you the truth. If a headline sounds too crazy to be true, it probably is. Ultimately, being smart online means being a good digital citizen. And the most important rule is simple: check before you share. That one action can stop a wave of misinformation in its tracks. It's how you go from being just a user of the internet to a master of it.